Changing of the seasons means seasonal allergies, and we're hit just as bad as everyone else. So today, we're breathing more easily with the help of our personal air purifier that comes complete with aromatherapy tabs. It filters out smoke, pet dander, odor, and even dust. The best thing is, it's portable and we can use it in any room. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to breathe easier in your home too. Inside the box, you have your user manual and then your air purifier. Twist the bottom and then remove the top half of the purifier. And inside, you can find a power adapter, a pack of aromatherapy pads, and then your 360-degree HEPA 13 filter. Place the filter back inside the purifier and twist to lock the top back in place. On top, push down in the center to pop out the top plate. Remove that, and you'll find an aromatherapy pad. This is where you'll put your replacements in the future. But for now, we're going to drip a few drops of our favorite essential oil onto the pad. Then push the top plate back until it clicks into place. On the back, you can find the power port. Plug it in and then into the wall. Now you can press the power button in the front and begin freshening your room. Then you can press again to cycle through low, medium, and high. And for reference, we'll turn on the music so you can hear just how loud this thing is. Low setting, medium, and high. Obviously, you can hear it on the highest setting, but on the lowest, you can hardly tell it's there, freshening up the room. In fact, it's so quiet that when I walk into my office, I have to double check that it's running. My computer fan is louder than it. That is, until you smell the essential oil in the air from your aromatherapy tab. Within seconds, the air is smelling like you ran through the room with Febreze, but without the lingering chemicals. You have a nice smell that lasts a while, and the air really does feel cleaner. We've been suffering from allergies the past month, and I've been bringing this with me to whatever room I'm in. It has truly made a difference, and I'm breathing easier than ever. Not to mention, I just love the aromatherapy feature. It's very subtle, but adds a pleasant aroma to the room for hours. It's such a cool feature. So if you're looking for a portable air purifier that you can take with you, one that freshens the air and gives you aromatherapy options as well, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go add some more essential oil to my air purifier. See ya!